Back in 2010, when I had a small film studio in Brazil, I was really into new and shiny video gear. This was the beginning of the DSLR filmmaker era. So everyone was kind of on that page. So, as did many of my fellow colleagues, I often went to crowdfunding sites in order to get the newest, bestest gear I could possibly find. And I lost $600. How? Subscribe. I'll tell you anyway, but you should subscribe. Well, at that time, this particular site didn't have many safety measures in place. So it was up to us, the supporters, to have faith that the project would keep its promise. In this specific case, the project kept all the money, but never delivered. Even after threats of suing the project's owners, nothing could be done. You see, the flaw was that the middleman wasn't perfect. How could we improve it then? Well, what if we could have a contract in place? Sure, that's fine. We kind of had a contract, but that surely wasn't reliable enough, as the contract was meddled with so much that to this day, lawyers could not touch the case. What about a contract that's immutable? Smart contracts are just that. Digital contracts that live in a blockchain. They're tiny computer programs that execute X when Y gets done. Otherwise, it does Z. Let me explain. In the case of my sad story, a smart contract could have ensured that the money would be held and go to the project once it got funded. And if it didn't get funded, the money would return in full to the supporters. No middleman attached, no change in the contract. And because it's decentralized, the smart contract relies on multiple confirmations, so no one single person can contradict it, saying that the equipment was funded or whatever. Smart contracts can be used in an infinity of ways, as you can probably imagine. It is a bit of tech that allow digital agreements to be safe and less bureaucratic, as in way faster and cheaper. I can't wait for smart contracts to be everywhere, so no one has to ever go through what I went through. They've betrayed me for the last time. Have you ever been in a situation where you wish smart contracts were handling it instead of whatever? Tell us. It's good to share. This is a safe space. Well, that's all for now. Till next time, I'll see you later.